Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good week in the market. It is Friday. Friday wasn't too good for us, down 1.8%. Part of that is because the credit spreads. Yes, I know. Yeah, because SPY was up 1.3% today. All right, well, this is a long-term account. I know it should be at least as good as the SPY, I'd hope. Or why don't I just have it in the SPY? And sometimes I ask myself that same question. I don't have all my money in SPY, which I probably should, since sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I was away from the market today, so I couldn't really manage stuff. I had a SPY credit spread. I only had one. If you watched yesterday's video, I only had one. But since SPY ripped up, I was bearish on it. Actually just melted up pretty much. This closed out. Robinhood closed it out because SPY came up too much. It wasn't bad though. It was a $14 credit. It cost $19. So whatever that is, $5. So $5 lost on that, if I'm understanding that correctly. I don't actually know where the big losses was today. I mean, it's actually kind of confusing. I didn't really think about that before I started this video. So basically what's going on here, some of my shares I have covered calls on, so my shares are going up a lot. Like this one's up $286 today. CNK is up 132. Oh, great. Look at all these shares. So the problem that I'm having, and it's a good problem to have, and basically I'm capping my gains. So given they might come back down, but those are great, and this would be a great green day, but then I have covered calls on these. So these covered calls are losing tons of value when these share prices are just going crazy. Like today, Solo went up like 50%. What is this? 54%? I forgot about this. That was this morning when I was still at the market, and then I left. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't like roll up that covered call or do anything like that, because it's quite possible this will come back down to like $6. But if you look at this, return on the shares is great, but I have a covered call that's lost this equivalent amount of value once Solo's gone over this price. So this is $4 is 3.5. So basically this is negative 145. Oh, negative 263. That was just today's return. If that makes sense. So basically, I want Solo to keep running. Like, this is sick, but I mean, yeah. Anyways, so that's kind of the reason why this account, like, it's kind of staying pretty flat, because I mean, these are past my strike price, or my average cost. My average cost is 276. So I capped my gains, and I capped them at $3.50 and $4. So no matter how high it goes, that's where I'm at. And then the same thing with CNK. CNK, it's closer though. CNK is only at 13.65. Wow, went up 10% today too. Wow. So it might come back down. Was there news on CNK today though? Like, hold on here. Wasn't really watching the news today either. But they're just end streaming. Cinemark Cypress Dine-In Theater, kitchen bar opens. Oh, maybe this was it? Kitchen and bar opening? A dine-in theater? I don't know. Maybe it was vaccine news. Again, I wasn't really on the market today, so maybe more of, or maybe just kind of more of a rotation into, because I noticed American Airlines went up, so maybe it's kind of more rotation into pre-COVID stocks. Airlines, travel, movie theaters. Kind of out of the COVID tech stuff. So let's see, I bet Zoom, did Zoom go down today? Or did everything just go up today? Yeah, Zoom went down today. There you go. So it's just a rotation. More rotation out of the COVID and into the pre-COVID. Let's see, Peloton go down too? There you go. That's what it was. So yeah, I don't know if it's going to continue on this way, like these ones going down and the other ones going up. But at any rate, I have a American Airlines call on here that you can see. About that the other day. So 4 contracts at $13.50. So that might be in the money Monday. Should be sick. And then I'm already up 95% on it. So I didn't do anything on the Webull account today. Look at Peloton just dropped though. I kind of want puts on these, like this one and Zoom. I'm not as bearish on Peloton as I am on Zoom. Zoom to me is just, they just got lucky. You know what I mean? All like Facebook, Google, they all had something similar, and now they have something pretty much exactly the same since Zoom's been so successful. the fact that this was almost $600, I'm like, I don't see it. I've used all of them. I mean, I know there's cool stuff about it, but it's nothing of it proprietary as far as I've seen. So yeah, I don't see this staying up here at all. I see it going maybe a little higher than pre-COVID levels, maybe like 260. But I mean, up here, yeah, whatever. But yeah, I didn't do anything with this account. AL went up, so this contract went up for those 4. Long term, yeah, I went down some today. That SPY credit spread only lost a few dollars on. The big thing for me today, and what I had to do mobile, which was difficult, was this. Oh wait, Rocket didn't keep going today. Rocket stayed flat, so this lost a little value. Dang, man. Come on, Rocket. I thought actually Rocket did. Oh, it was up in the morning and then it flattened out. Yeah. The Tesla I had to roll over, and that was kind of stressful because I forgot to do it, and then I remembered, and then it was like I wasn't gonna do it then because it was too early. I was trying to wait till closer to the end of the day, and then it was like 3:30, and I was like, oh shoot. So I got on my phone and I did it mobily, and I was like, I couldn't believe actually Robinhood hadn't executed it already or closed it, because this thing was way out of the money. You know, it was at whatever, it was way out of the money. Tesla's at 408, and this was for 420, 415 puts. So yeah, anyways, it didn't. It was just a miracle, I guess. I don't know, somehow at 3:30 I was still able to trade this, but 3:30 I was just quick looking at the option chain, trying to roll it out, and it, like, I did one, it like rejected the order. I was like, crap. So like I kept messing with it, and it was just hard to see like visually what was going on, like where support and resistance. You know, I didn't have time to look on the Webull app, and the Robinhood app doesn't really anyways, it's nothing like a computer. So I don't even really know what I got. I know I rolled it out. I don't think it was too aggressive, but well, here it is. So what do we have? We had this 412 and 415. Okay, so this is the original 4 contracts. So basically it had to close above 415 for this to expire worthless and us basically get out of the position and keep the premium. I rolled it out. Okay, so I closed these 2, and then I opened these 2. So I sold a 420. Holy crap, did I do this right? Oh my goodness, what did I do? Is this right? Maybe I did this backwards. No, I think I did it right. It's so confusing. Okay, so wait, effect open. Wait, open, close. Oh, okay, so this is open, this is closed. This was opened November 13th. This also is November 13th. Filled. That's today. Whatever. These are my new strike prices. Okay. So I sold a 420 and I bought a 415, which is what we have here now. And my new date, it doesn't show here, but it shows up here, I think. I hope. Okay, new date is December 4th. So I've got time. Got till like 3 Fridays. And basically, I was trying to have it so Tesla has to close above 420. And I think that's what I have here. If you know if you can decipher what Robinhood is saying here, please tell me in the comments. But yeah, I think that's what I have here. I think. Because, well, I'll know for sure. If Tesla starts going up and this little chart starts going down, then I know I did the right thing. It's shooting up here. Did Tesla just like bounce after hours? No, it didn't do anything. But we'll see. So anyways, I actually got more credit on it. So I think I did it right because I got credit on it. So that means there was another credit spread. And there was a bigger spread on it. Of course, so 420, 415. Bigger spread on it. More time. And so the overall credit's 608 because I had to cover the credit from the other one. So the other one, I believe, had a credit of what was it? The one had it's not gonna tell me down here, is it? Then I had a credit of like 100 and 60 something, but the collateral is 500, so I think that's what it's talking about. I had to cover the 500 collateral, and then I got maybe an additional 108 credit. I think that's what it is. So it was a $500 collateral I had to open the play. It closed the play, paid the 500, I think, opened up another one that gave me 106 more dollars credit. So now the total credit is $608. So if I'm not mistaken, this play is not going to cost me any more collateral, because I don't think it said it would. And I didn't actually, let's see, I didn't have collateral to give out. Okay, I did have collateral to give out. Crap. Okay, maybe this did cost me more collateral. It's weird. It didn't mention anything when I was closing the order. I mean, it was on my phone again. It's stupid. Anyways, we'll just wing it on this one. Hopefully it works out. Maybe that's why the other one was rejected, because I did one that was rejected. Maybe just because it took more collateral than I had. I didn't have a whole lot of buying power. I know I had more than that, but I didn't have a whole lot, so not a huge deal if this doesn't work out. But I'm a bull on Tesla. I mean, hopefully it goes up. I think that's all I really needed to do, is go up and we'll be fine. But it didn't say the new collateral I needed. I wonder what it is. It would make sense that I would need more collateral. It would. So I got more credit. So anyways, if this works out, I think it'll be 200 something dollars credit for the entire play if it goes up enough. But I don't know. We'll see. So that was me rolling over, and of course, the first time I've done it with credit spreads, I'm on my phone in a mall, not on my computer, where I can see what's going on. I picked a bad day to open up this Tesla credit spread. It was stupid. And of course, why is Tesla inversing the market? Like, what is going on? Even all the other EVs are like going up. Is this because, oh look at this. So it went up. Oh, let's see, when was this? So I got that. That's why I didn't get as much premium. If I got it down here, it probably would have been more premium. Wouldn't have to put up a bunch of collateral, or just would have got more premium for it. So I did it like right here, right? That's like 5 or 330, 1530. Why is this military? Come on, China. Come on, Weeble. Yeah, so it already started coming back up. Anyways, why is it, what's going on here? Oh, the rotation maybe? It doesn't make sense though. SPY has this melt up. It's a pretty strong day, really. 1.38% on the SPY. I mean, that's solid. Solid green bars on the 1 hour. Just, yeah, that's good. That's strong. And then freaking Solo's up 30% today overall. With this, what you know, what's going on? Why is Tesla the EV oh, NIO went down though. So I'm not sure. Because NIO going down, Solo going, I mean, maybe NIO and Tesla are kind of rolling together now, and Solo and some of the other smaller EVs are kind of on their own. I mean, Solo kind of moves like a penny stock, I guess, because it sort of was. Tesla's maybe... Tesla never really fit into the pre-COVID or COVID stock. It was always kind of a tech stock. But when SPY goes up, maybe this is all because Elon Musk tested positive and negative at the same time for Corona. I don't know. I don't know what this is, but anytime Tesla's on like down here on the RSI below 30 on an hourly, I buy that thing. As you can see, everyone else does too. Look at this. Boom. Whoop. Everybody. And on the daily, just don't even look. Just throw all your money at Tesla. Not a recommendation. I'm not professional, clearly. Right here, daily chart. Bought Tesla. That must be from Elon Musk. Or something else that I don't know, because NIO is also down. Because of Jim Cramer. Cramer did it, didn't he? Yeah, maybe because he tested positive and negative? Exactly. More competition? I don't know. Even though GM, Ford, other automakers that are getting EVs, even though they're getting into it, they have the distribution. I mean, they've been in this game a lot longer than Tesla. I don't think they're close to catching Tesla at all. EVs is not the same as building a car. It's not building an internal combustion engine. Everything is different. But what's the same? Wheels and tires can be the same. I mean, most of the structure, but not really, because typical cars, you have to kind of support everything with the frame around the motor mounts and the engine and the transmission mounts, and that's all towards the front. If it's front engine, rear, I mean, it's totally different. And then to improve it and to get it to a point that Tesla has, I think they're behind, and I think it'll be a while till they catch up. So I just, yeah, I'm a bull on Tesla. Even though I like GM and those, like Tesla's where it's at. I mean, for now, I don't know. Also, I mean, Tesla's doing so much other stuff besides their cars. I'm more excited about power walls, battery storage, solar roofs, and the fact that Elon Musk, he's a nut, but I love it. I love he's just a weird, crazy engineer guy that's just doing what he wants with a company because it's what I want and it's what other people want. Like, they don't want a corporate America company to sell them a car. They'd rather just this crazy engineer guy that says, hey, let's call our models and make it sexy. Let's make the models SEXY. And hey, let's put like stupid little phrases in the cars like warp speed and call your mama and like all this. That's, I mean, to me, that's kind of the future. People appreciate that. I mean, I do. I think that's awesome. So, given it is whatever you call it, when it's a lot of the love for the company is on Elon Musk and it kind of revolves around him. So yeah, if he dies of COVID, I'd sell it for sure, no question. Sell Tesla immediately if Elon Musk is going out. A lot of it rides on him, so that's typically not what you want for long term, but I like it. It's fun. I'll get out if I need to. But GM and those they're kind of the man in this situation, and Elon Musk is kind of like not the man. I don't know. Anyways, my little rant on that. I don't know what was going on, but I extended this hopefully by December 4th. This will be above 420. Is that so difficult? No, it's right here. Dude, that's not difficult at all. That might happen on Monday. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money, happy money, so to stick around. Have a great weekend. Don't think about stock market. Be with your family. Start listening to Christmas music and drinking eggnog. Don't be scared. It's not too early for you because it's not too early for me. Peace out. See you on Monday.